JNS here for another YouTube video. And after those large troop sales and selling that the QB I got from the last pack opening, I have 150k worth of packs to open. Now I lowered my team overall a bit because there's conspiracy saying that if you lower it overall you get more elites. So I'm gonna try this out, see if it's true. Start things out with a Corey Peters. Let's see what else we can pull. Oh, sorry, that's this. My girlfriend. Ah. Ooh, let's see what we pull. Matt. Oh my god, I swear we pull garbage again. I'm gonna be mad. Percy Harvin. Yay. Come on, we need another epic pack reaction. Not this garbage pack opening. Come on. Oh my god. Oh, this is sad. Oh my god. I'm sorry for the Madden being so stupid not giving it packs. Come on, we need the pack gods. Pack gods aren't with us right now. Come on, we need the pack gods. Rugal. Ted Ginn Jr. That kid can run. Oh, come on, can we pull anything now? Come on, guys. Oh my god. I'm about to cry. Oh, Greg Hardy. Let's see. 10 more packs. James Jones. Free pro pack and Dwayne Allen. I'll take that. Let's add and claim. Let's see what the pack gods give us. Garbage. Oh my god, guys. These packs are dry. These packs are honestly dry. Oh my god. We have 5 more packs, guys. Let's see if we can pull anything clutch. Nope. Oh! That might go for some coins. That Zach Thomas Teen Dolphins, that might go for some coins. Let's see what else we can pull. Let's. He's like, what are you looking at? What are you looking at? Last 2 packs, guys. Let's see if we can come in clutch. Nope. Last pack. And we get Mario. Oh, and by the way, when they come out with the upgraded positions for the free agents, I will be opening all this for you guys. Now let's quickly go see how much that Zach Thomas goes for. Zach Thomas collectible. If it wants to work. Oh yeah, I split it with it. K9Z. Elite collectible. There's one for there, 185k. I know you guys really don't want to watch this, so if you guys want to end the video, you guys can do it right now. So I'll see you guys later. Like and subscribe, and join the Genius Army. Peace.